Nnamdi Kanu files charge against DSS DG Bishi. Good morning, everyone, and thank you all for tuning in and listening to this headline that we got to your ears this morning. As our headline for this morning says that Nnamdi Kanu files contempt charge against DSS DG Bishi. We have here that the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB), Nnamdi Kanu, has filed a contempt charge against the Director General Department of State Services (DSS) Yusuf Bichi over his alleged refusal to obey court orders. Kanu, through his lawyer Alo Ejimako on Monday, filed Form 49 titled Notice to Show Cause Why an Order of Committal Should Not Be Made at the Federal High Court, Abuja. The application marked FHC ABJ CR 383-2015 is dated and filed on June 10. The News Agency of Nigeria reports that while the Federal Republic of Nigeria is listed as complainant, first respondent Yusuf Madaji Bichi is listed as second respondent contemnor. The IPOB leader alleged that despite being served with the orders of the trial judge, Justice Binta Nyanko of the Federal High Court in Abuja, made on May 20, Bishi had refused to comply with the said orders. NAN reports that Justice Binta Nyanko had on May 20 declined to grant an application fixed by Kanu to set aside his 2017 bail revocation, following the allegation that he jumped bail. The judge also refused to transfer him to Kuje Correctional Center or place him under house arrest as requested. However, Justice Nwanko reviewed the conditions for visiting the IPOB leader at the DSS facility by his lawyers. In a ruling, she verified the visitation days from 2 to 3 days in a week. The judge ordered that Kanu should be given a safe and clean room to prepare for the defense, with his term to counsel not exceeding 5 in number instead of the 3 lawyers that were formally directed. She equally ordered that Kanu and his lawyers should be allowed to such a facility that is required for the preparation of his defense and be allowed to take notes. However, in the application, Kanu alleged that the DSS DG, the Director General, had failed to abide by the orders. It read in part, "Take notice that the defendants will on the day of 2024 at the hour of 9 o'clock in the forenoon apply to this court for an order for your committal to prison for having disobeyed the order of this court made on the 20th day of May 2024, which stated in prominent part as follows: You have not complied with the 3 days per week visitation to the applicant as was ordered by the court. You have not provided a safe and clean room to the applicant as the present facility to prepare for his defense with his team of counsel. You have not allowed such facility that is required for the preparation of the applicant defense, which facility you have disallowed in every visitation since the said order was entered and set out below. Interdiction, seizure, perusal, and photocopying of legal documents relating to the trial preparation of the applicant. By not retracing your steps after you were on the 31st day of May 2024 served with a Form 48 notice of consequences of disobedience to court, and take further notice that you were hereby required to attend the court on the first mentioned day to show cause why an order for your committal should not be made." And that is all we have for you concerning this headline, which says Nnamdi Kanu files contempt charge against DSS and Director General Bishi. Before we move on, let's not forget that if you're not part of the family yet, don't forget to tap that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and also leave a like on this video so that anytime I have any new video concerning this, you'll be the first to get notified about it. Okay, let's talk about this headline. It says that Nnamdi Kanu files contempt charge against the DSS Director General. It said against the DSS Director General Yusuf Biji over his alleged refusal to obey the court order. Say that he has refused to obey the order from the court. Said Kanu, through his lawyer Alo Ejimako on Monday, they filed Form 49 titled Notice to Show Cause Why an Order of Committal Should Not Be Made at the Federal High Court in Abuja recently, because He said that this man is not following the orders that the court gave him concerning the visitation of Nnamdi Kanu and the treatment he should be receiving in the DSS facility. And the news agency of Nigeria reports that while the Federal Republic of Nigeria listed as complainant first respondent, Yusuf Maji Bishi is listed as the second respondent contemor. And the IPOB leader in Kanu said that despite being served with the orders of the trial judge, Justice Binta Wanko of the Federal High Court in Abuja, made on May 20, Bishi had refused to comply with the said orders. Bishi has refused to comply with what the court said concerning his case, said concerning his detention. And the National News Agency of Nigeria said that Justice Wanko had on May 20 declined the grant and application filed by Kanu that set aside his 2017 bail revocation following the allegation that he jumped bail. More was said concerning this, but the question is, why are these DSS facility? Why are they going against court orders? Do they have any hidden hatred concerning Nnamdi Kanu? Why are they going against that? I mean, is it only Nnamdi Kanu that they has as prisoners in the DSS facilities? No. Then why do they do what they do? I don't just get and understand it anymore. Yes, or do they just have one hidden hatred concerning this man? The Federal High Court in Nigeria made a decree, made a law, and you are still going against that law, and you are saying you say you are the one enforcing law. I don't just understand. Or what do you guys think? Let me see your comment below in the comment section, because this is a sign of hatred. This alone is a sign of hatred.